Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Renuka. In the last part of this series, we make some of the pages and I showed you how to use any collection to make a pages and how to sort the paper. And in this part, we will make the front cover of the album as well as how to stick and making a spine for those pages, and we will create a full album in this one. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renuka and today we are making this album. In last video we made this and now in this video we're gonna decorate this one and see how it goes. So we have few cards which we already cut before. We can put those inside and yeah, lots of stuff. So you want to plan some of it, and it's not like that you have to use all of it, but sometimes it's nice to put the things nicer way, and that's here. Okay, so here is the problem, like we have to solve this problem that we have this very delicate one. So whenever I'm putting that inside, it's going somewhere else. So you can just remove it and put it washi tape there, or you can just put it inside and in this one and it will work. Then for this one we have this flip one. We can add something else on this side also. So first of all, let's see this, like we want to keep it some kind of blooms going on. Let me see, we can put it here, and we have this one which will go here. We can add few here like this one, and just put, and we can create a small diaries by putting white paper inside it, and I will show you. So we put those there. If something like this is, I think this needs more glue here. Okay, then we didn't get decide that what will be our front, and I'm still kind of stuck in that. On the back side we can put this, or we can put this inside and create a small nice pocket out of it. That will fun. Let's create the pocket. Again, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just putting the stuff. Now for this one I want some kind of from here, whatever are lines already there, I'm just following those marks, and then I'll use the double-sided tape to create this pocket, chunky pocket. For the pocket I'm gonna just chop down the corners so that it's easy to bend it, and then we will use the double-sided tape. If you are not able to put double-sided tape easily on that side, just make it plain, whatever it is, and just do it that way. That will also work. Again, we need to burnish it very nicely with the bone folder. And where is my bone folder? Okay. Again, we will fold it nicely, and then we will put it on the back, just like that. Again, I will burnish it with the bone folder so it's nice, and then we can have something inside, like maybe this one, no? Like this. Now let this come on this one. So we have this two, And we can add one of these. There is always flower for wishes and to wish to see them. Springtime memories. We can go ahead with the springtime memories here, and I can just cut little bit and add a kind of, oh, we have sticker sheets also. How can I forget? We have sticker sheets. We can grab something for sticker sheets also. There a nice collection. This truck is also looking good. We can put that, or this bicycle. There are chipboard things also if you want to use them. Spring market. Okay, I like this springtime thing. So I'm gonna cut it and mat it on the black so that it will pop up, or I can mat it on the pink or something like that. Let me see. So I create this small album by using the springtime collection from Eco Park. Here I put some embellishment and some foam dots to make it more 3D. The spine I just put the bloom and grow, and on the back side here someone can, like, I'm planning to gift it to my kids teacher, so he can write something notes for them. Okay, so this is the photo album, or you can use it as a memory album. So here is the first page. It's very easy. It's a one-time project. I started this project and finished it, and you can have something to write here. On the back you can put the photos. This collection is very beautiful. I add a little bit flower lace here, again another part. Then here again you can put the photos. Here also you can put the photos. That's the fun thing of the album. Here also you can add the photos, or you can directly add the photos or write something behind it. Then again the flip out, where you can add some more stuff. Here also there is a pocket, so we can add more stuff. Here the paper is so beautiful. I will just put the white squares here, like 5x7 and 4x4 for the photos. I didn't put them right now, so that I can show you the full. And this is the kind of full page open out. It's a gatefold kind of stuff. It's come out really nice. I love this paper. Then again few more hideouts and things, and this will open like this. Easy, simple to handle. Didn't add much interactive elements in this. I just want that recipient should get it very nicely and very easily. They can put it together, or sometimes recipients are not the craft maker and they got like overwhelmed with the stuff. Here I put the 4 small journals where you can have the journaling spot, or you can use them like tear apart papers. And I have 4 of these, this one, and this one. So there is enough space to write the thoughts, and if they want to write and make it a memory book. Again, a small card here. Also, if you can use this like a travel journal, also you can put the photos and tickets and things like that inside. And this is the last one. I just create a nice pocket here where you can add the more stuff inside. And as I showed you back, so this turned out very nice. I'm very happy, and my kid wanna gift this to his class teacher. So until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.